Tesla leaks Magic Dock CCS adapter ahead of opening its supercharger network. This is really, really big business, big news over here. So in Europe, this is already going on. And then everybody said, okay, this is going to happen in North America as well. Even Tesla themselves, even Elon himself knew it. And then there's a question around timeline. This is very powerful charging capability that comes along with this adapter. You're talking like up to 250. Am I right about that? Scroll down. I want to make sure I'm right about that. As opposed to the typical 150 kilowatt. Maybe that was in a separate article that I read it, or maybe it's still down here. But anyway, it's the one with the secondary plug, CCS compatibility. So like in the Taycan, you have it with a little drop-down door where you get the secondary plug and you can go up even to faster recharging. Well, that's cool anyway on its own, but the other part of it is it's part of the universal rollout strategy where everybody is going to be able to use this network, and it's going to act as a new profit center for Tesla because now they're going to be charging people to charge up across all different cars. And the way they're going to do it is with this type of adapter docking thing that you can see in this image, where you're going to be able to pull out the cable itself or the cable alongside. Well, you can see that one there. That actually doesn't even look like an adapter. That looks like a straight up different charger. So I don't know if they're going to be scattered. It looks like Magic Dock is now shown in the Tesla app. See the second image for what is shown previously, which reflects the Euro CCS2 handle. So that's the whole unit. That's not even an adapter. Magic Dock, I'm guessing, is going to be an adapter style where you could pull out either one from the same nozzle. You could pull out what they call the CCS, or you could just pull out the old school Tesla charger. I don't know how you feel about this, Will, but it seems like it's the way it's got to go. It seems like you have to open a supercharger network. If you actually care about the adoption of electric vehicles, as you've said so many times, then this is only going to ease people into purchasing them and say, no, okay, I've got all these extra spots now where I can recharge. However, question to you as a Tesla owner is, now you got all types more volume over here at these stations. That don't have Teslas. So now you're waiting to charge.
Jams.
So now you've got this influx of users, like in a moment's notice, as they outfit these chargers with this particular adaptation.
It's interesting to maybe see what Tesla's plan is. Are they planning to charge more using these adapters?
I presume.
Charging a different
rate?
A different manufacturer?
So you would get a preferential rate as a Tesla owner? I don't know. But does that really change it? If you really need a charge...
It would deter more people, I guess.
But you're
just charging at home.
But couldn't it also possibly deter people from getting a Tesla as opposed to some other electric vehicle? Because one of the advantages of getting the Tesla in the first place was I have this massive supercharger network, very well built out, and usually, at least around here, I can find a spot no matter what. Every single time I've never not gotten a spot to charge or had to wait beside a spot to charge. So it's an advantage to buying a Tesla. Now, if all those Tesla chargers all of a sudden have this adapter on it, now I'm like open to other brands. It's inevitable. It was going to happen either way, but I'm just saying that you can imagine how the people could be a little bit split on this.
Yeah.
Could be a little bit split.